Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Everrange neighborhood located in Jacksonville, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at a model home by Providence Homes. This is going to be the Morrison floor plan. This floor plan features 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 3,296 square feet. This is the rustic edge elevation. So that's the elevation or the exterior style of the home. Now here in the Mariposa neighborhood located within the Everrange community, there are 6 builders. Providence Homes is building on 40 and 60-foot home sites. Here we are in the foyer. This is a nice wide foyer. Now there is opportunity to build from ground up here in the Mariposa neighborhood with Providence Homes. We're going to continue our tour here to the left. Now this is bedroom 5. This is a structural option. This would be in lieu of the study. And this room is approximately 11 feet with 10 inches by 11 feet 8 inches. They've also added the 4th bathroom over here. Walk-in shower. Okay, transom window there. Okay, and then here is the laundry room. Now here at Mariposa with Providence Homes, there is opportunity to build from ground up. There are opportunities as well for a home already under construction. So if your time frame is sooner and does not allow for a to be built or a build from ground up option, please let me know and I'd be happy to share the latest inventory. Okay, here we see the arches. Very nice feature here. That is a structural option that is available. We're going to continue here to the powder room. Now I do not work for Providence Homes, but would love to assist you in the new home journey. If you're not working with a realtor and are just starting your search, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I would love to connect and assist you throughout the new construction process. Whether you're looking for a home to be built from ground up or a home that is already under construction, I'd love to connect and assist you. All right, here we are coming into the common living area. This living room features 12-foot ceilings and transom windows above the sliders. This is a structural option. Now as standard, this would be a wall. This model shows these 2 structural options here with the arches. That is something that can be added as well. Here's the kitchen. Now the nice thing about building from ground up is you can choose the design options. So if you'd like stacked cabinets, in and under cabinet lighting, the colors of the countertop, flooring. Okay, this is a 6-burner cooktop, pot filler there. Designer vent matching the cabinetry. A large island here. Here we're going into the pantry. All right, next let's take a look at the cafe or dining area. This area here is approximately 11 feet with 8 inches by 15 feet, 3 inches. Okay, we have transom windows over here. All right, before we take a look outside, we're going to take a look at the owner's suite. Features a tray ceiling as well as bay windows here. Next is the owner's bath. Very beautiful features. You have the arches there, 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot interior doors, standalone tub, and then walk-in shower here. Okay. Linen closet. Here's the walk-in closet. All right, let's take a look outside and then we'll go upstairs and take a look at the 3 bedrooms and the loft. Okay, here we see the covered lanai. Extended paver area. Then you have the pre-plumbing here for a summer kitchen. Summer kitchen over here. And sitting area. These are all great ideas, looks very nice. Continuing our tour upstairs. You see the wooden stairs and then the metal railing. These are all options as well that can be chosen at the design center if building from ground up. Okay, here is a closet. This is the loft. Now this loft area is approximately 18 feet with 8 inches by 11 feet 8 inches. Next we have bedroom 2. This bedroom is approximately 12 feet with 10 inches by 10 feet 8 inches. And this bedroom features an ensuite bath that we'll take a look at. And then here's the ensuite bath. Walk-in shower. Now this bathroom, as standard, features a shower tub combo. This features a walk-in shower. And then here we have a linen closet. Next we have bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 is 11 feet with 10 inches by 12 feet 6 inches. Okay, closet here. Then we have bedroom 4. Before bedroom 4 is the third bathroom. This is the shared bathroom up here. This one features a shower tub combo. All right, and then now we have bedroom 4. This one is 12 feet with 6 inches by 10 feet 10 inches. All right, and then over here we have the closet. And then back here to the stairs. If you'd like more information on Providence Homes, the ever-arranged community, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.